All right, this morning I'm going to introduce you to the 1985 380 SL that we just got in. And I thought I'd do something a little different this morning and walk you through the store. This is Caitlin.
Good morning.
She's a partner and the most industrious person in the group. 56 Speedster here, 86 Turbo, 74 XKE, P1800 Volvo, Ferrari 355, an S model XK150, gorgeous GF 1500, 300 SL, Lotus XKE, special 85 911, and then through this door 356 and the 380 SL. This car came to me via word of mouth. The man, I was told it was a one-owner car. His uncle grew old and gave him the car, which made him the second owner, but he didn't use the car. Looking at the documentation, though, I believe it's probably a two-owner car. We have all the documentation since the car was brand new. We've got the original bill of sale, the pre-purchase or pre-delivery inspection by Mercedes. I'll show you all this later. All the books, manuals, stamped in the service manual, service tickets, and a logbook showing what all has been done. If you were to purchase a 380 SL, 560 SL, there are normal things that go bad on these cars, especially in that 50,000 mile range. Tie rod ends go bad. Drag link in the steering go bad, the air conditioning systems can go bad, the HVAC systems can go bad. Oh, what else? Subframe mounts. Where I'm going with this is that this car has all the boxes checked. Everything that these 380s need, timing chain upgrades. This one has the dual timing chain and tensioners done already. All of those items that need to be replaced on these cars has already been done. So the recipient, the next owner of the car, should be able to get in it and happily go motoring down the road. It appears that the car is original paint. We've paint metered it. Let's go here. If the meter will work, which oftentimes it doesn't. And it's not going to participate. Okay, well, we'll come back to it. Soft top's in great condition, nothing frayed, nothing dirty, no pinched windows. Beautiful paint, brand new tires, car sits nice. The interior on this car is incredible, and it's original. We buy and sell a lot of these. We have a row of them outside. We have a couple back in here. We have a few over here. So we probably have 10 in stock. Always keep these cars in stock. This one's kind of the pride of the herd at this point. Because it is so nice and it is so well documented. Overlays on the bumpers, not damaged. Even look at even the emblem there. It's not worn out, it's not tired, it didn't lose its paint. I'm going to put this top down after I show it to you so I can show you really how nice that interior is. Trunk carpet's in good condition. Still nice and clean. Tools are here. Engine compartment's nice. Nothing's been tampered with. No accident history, so nothing's been changed. All the proper stickers are in place. None of the bolts have been turned or messed with. Same with over here. Hood pad still in good condition. All right, I'm going to put the soft top down and show you the interior. I'm going to show you the headliner of the soft top. It too is in good condition. See, it's just pretty much flawless. All right, I'll open that up and we'll look at the... All right, here we are in the interior of the car. Look how nice the pleats are. Original leather seats. Look at that bolster. Not dyed, not worn out. Headrests are tight. Armrest is tight. Nice wood. It's not damaged, not cracked. Very unusual. No cracks on the dash, and that is not a dash cover. 70,020 miles. Clean gauges. Nice door cards. This is all in good shape. It's not, the glue's not coming undone. All the fit and finish is nice because it's an original car. Obviously it was a garage kept car. Door card is good here. Look at that. Entry rubber is nice. Passenger seat's nice. I'll start it for you. Because the chain tensioners have been done, double time chain has been replaced, nice and quiet on startup. Nothing rattling, no smoke. Original radio still works with good digital readout. Probably won't put it up on the lift for you. There's pictures. You can see I'm fairly crowded. There's pictures showing the underside. It's all dry, it's clean, it's nice. Something that's another thing with these SLs, their rear main seals leak. Whether the 380s or 560s or old Pagodas, their rear main seals leak. It's a common thing with these cars. This car's dry. All the tie rod links have been done. We mentioned that. They're still brand new. Exhaust is new. It's not original, but it's good and was done nicely. All the wheels are in good condition. They look brand new. Tires are brand new. I just put them on. So there you go. We'll pull it out and take a little drive. It's a pretty... All right, we've got this 1985 380 SL, 70,000 miles. Original dash with no cracks, no dead bugs or moisture in the gauges, no cracks in the wood dash or the wood center console. Car has a brand new set of tires on it. It's got brand new tie rod ends and steering link, so the drive is tight, no shimmy, no shake. I put on the brakes, they don't pulsate. Very smooth SL driving experience. Transmission shifts smoothly and tightly and at the right places. All right, I spoke about the service records on the 380 SL. We have every manual that came from the factory, brochures, tags, and here's the wiper for the antenna mast provided by Mercedes. And look at these service records. Stamped, 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 stamped. All the way through as you would want, up to 52,000 miles. And then we have the original bill of sale. And we have new tires that I just put on. Then we have some notes from the owner, certain things that they've done, change in oil, oil changes, the dates, the mileage. And then we have copies of a logbook showing the different things that have been done. Again, timing chains have been done, batteries, fuel pumps, air conditioning unit, drive control units, meaning drag links and tie rod ends. So various documented services on the car, as well as service tickets. Even has the new car pre-delivery inspection paper. So a really well documented car and well cared for.